Hello. Here we are setting up the sample filtration method for using a dead-end ultra filter to sample for viruses. So Mike's gonna show us how to do the setup.
Okay, so first off, you have your hose bib in any standard pump house. They should generally have something that looks like this. And then what we do is we use a small micro torch and hold it up against the hose bib to decontaminate it of any existing viruses and bacteria. And then we hook up our Y, and we do the same thing to the other hose attachments. And then we hook up our pressure gauges, and the pressure gauge is essentially a simple system of, it's one unit from a hose adapter to a 3/8 barbed adapter with a pressure gauge in the middle, and the same thing goes for the other side. So what you'll want to do is you can hook up both of your pressure gauges, and then you'll want to cut a length of 3/8 inner diameter braided vinyl tubing. You hook it up to your barbed adapter on this end and use a hose clamp to fasten it. The other end fits onto a DIN adapter, and you'll be wanting to wear gloves when you do this whole setup. So you push the DIN adapter in and then use another hose clamp to tighten that on, and then it just screws in to the red end of the dead end ultrafiltration unit. Same thing goes for the other side. And then on the other end of the DEUF, you'll use your 1/2 inch vinyl braided tubing and hook that up using a hose clamp as well. And the other end of that will go through a brass nipple that connects to a flow through meter, and that will discharge out to whatever discharge point is far enough away that it won't be getting your area all wet. And then this flow meter will measure your flow rate and the totalizer as well. So both ends will have the exact same setup, and we'll just leave the filtration units on the ground like this, and start with the Y adapter with the gates in the closed position. So this is open, this is closed, so you can see it's cutting off the line. Start up your water source, and then slowly open these guys up to allow water, and the pressure will build up. You want to go to about 200 psi on both sides, so then you get your other one. And you just have to kind of finick with them a little bit to get them set up properly. So as you open one, the other one will drop down, and so on and so forth. So once you're around 200 in both, you can come check out your flow readings. And your reading is 4.5 liters per minute.
Ooh, perfect.
So that's pretty good. And then you go to your totalizer and hold down the red button to zero it, and it'll start totaling up your water. And then the same thing on the other side, so about 4.2. You can stand to go up to around 5, and then go to your totalizer just right here and zero that, and then wait until you reach about 800 liters, and then you have successfully sampled for viruses.
Great. And then to disconnect, do we want to do that on another video, or?
Sure. It's gonna be awkward because I haven't done it yet. It's gonna be interesting. I think we need like a knife or something. Are you still filming?
Yeah, we'll stop for now and then we'll redo it. Okay, thanks, Mike.